Well, I wanted to share with you guys I got glasses. And the glare's too bad, it's bothering me. It's all I can focus on, but I got glasses. Alright, today's video is going to be bringing you guys basically a full face of Ulta Beauty makeup using the Advent calendar. I just bought it off of clearance. The girl was like, why are you buying an Advent calendar? Are you going to do it in January? No. So the only thing the box doesn't come with is foundation, and that makes sense to me. So I went ahead and I just used my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick. I think the first thing I'm gonna go in with is their bronzer. It looks a little dark for me, honestly. So I'm gonna have to be very careful with this. So I'm going to go in with the matte bronzer that came in this Advent calendar, whatever. I'm trying to get rid of that excess. The excess, oh, okay. It's actually not as dark as I thought it was gonna be, which is not a bad thing. It means it's nice and buildable. It's also nice because I'm one of those people that tends to put on too much. I'm learning, I'm trying, okay? I'm not hating this so far. That's good. Next, it came with, for highlight, these little drops, which I'm not gonna lie, I tried putting on already with a brush. Did not work. Because I don't think that's how you're supposed to apply that. So instead your fingertips. So I'm gonna try that and just dabbing it. Sue me. And I don't think that can be too bad. After you rub it in at least. I'm going to take a second to top my face off with some setting cream because I've come to find that I think my bronzer looks good, but it's typically a little too much, and this is the best way to tone it down. I'm just using the Laura Mercier, I don't know how you say it. The lady at Sephora sold it to me a few years ago, and I was like, I got a gift card, I want to treat myself. And she's like, you need this? I was like, I don't know what the hell this is, but I agree. And I haven't used it since then. Alright, so far this look has the seal of approval. I went to the bathroom. My mom liked it. That's an even bigger plus. Now, we're gonna hope I don't ruin it. I just realized I don't know why I did my bronzer before I did my eyes. Oh well. Anyways, we're gonna go in with the Ulta Beauty eyeshadow primer. I've used one of their other ones before. It's like a tinted eyeshadow primer. Did not come in this type of tube though. Yeah, we're going in with the primer. This is a weird tube. It's like nothing in here. It's like half empty. It's okay, it's weird. Oof, she's thick. She's a thick primer. Oh no. I think I just got too much. Alright, well. I'm gonna fix this real quick. I've never used an eyeshadow primer with this type of consistency. I mean, we'll see how it goes. Alright, I got everything I need. I think first I'm gonna go in with, this is actually a blush, but the shimmery side is very pigmented. Like, look. Like, that's not blush. That's not blush I would use, I should say. It's a little too much for me. I figured it would pair nicely with the red. Oh. I can't open it with one hand. There we go. With this eyeliner or eyeshadow. So we're gonna try it. I mean, so far this is working. Gotta give a shout out to Alexandria Ryan. She's the one that gave me this idea because her thought. No, she's the one I saw that tried it. And she's like, that's not a good blush. It's too intense. And I was like, phew. I feel ya. But as an eyeshadow, I don't hate it. Now I'm gonna go in with this one, the actual eyeshadow. Wait, I actually like how this turned out. I don't feel like the camera really does this justice. Because I know, like, in this lighting, it just looks like I'm tired. But up close, I don't think it looks that bad. Yeah, and see with eyeliner, it's not as bad. Oh crap, where did it go? Okay. The advent calendar did have an Ulta Beauty crayon eyeliner. I don't like it though. I just used a CoverGirl one. I also just realized it didn't come with mascara, so I'm gonna go put some of that on too. Alright, threw on mascara. You can't tell because my eyelashes are so short, but I did, whatever. For now, to finish this off, I'm gonna do lips. I don't know if I like this color as much as I thought I would. Let me see. Okay. After looking at it up close, it's not that bad. It's just like a nice nudish light pink. I really like it. And then to top it off, because this is a velvet matte lipstick, I should tell you what color it is. I'll have to Google it. And it comes with a nice little shiny sheer lip gloss to cover it. It looks like a good combo. There were a few things in this box that, in the advent calendar, that I didn't use. other than just the eyeliner. I didn't use this chubby little lip crayon. I actually do really like the color that this is in. At first I was like, I'm not gonna use that, but it is a nice dark red color. I actually might have a color pop stick this would work with. And then a couple different eyeshadows. This metallic-y one right here. I tried it right here. I can't show it to you guys, but it's just this metallic-y one. I thought it was another lip gloss. It's not. It's for your eyes. And then this was really intriguing. It's a jelly eyeshadow, and it's silver. It's really weird feeling, but it is super, like it's super pigmented, but that wasn't a very good swatch. Hold on. See, it can be like not very pigmented. Where did it go? Not very pigmented, or boom, super pigmented. So I'm excited to play around with that. And then it also came with this lip oil, which I tried it and I wasn't a big fan of it the first time I tried it. I really like the NYX lip oil, like This Is Everything lip oil. But I'm gonna try it out and I'll let you guys know what I think of it. Overall, I paid $10 for the advent calendar. I think it's like normally $20. For the stuff you get in it, you get like a full face worth of makeup, aside from your foundation. So I think it seems to be a really great deal. I like the look I was able to put together with it, and that's just like one look. I mean, if you look at the other two eyeshadows that come with it, you could come up with 3 different looks. And same with like the lips pen and stuff like that, you know. So I definitely think it would be worth it. I mean, Ulta comes out with good stuff. I've been buying them for a few years now, so yeah, this is definitely all stuff I would go out and back to the store and buy a full-size product, or buy the full-size products of. Alright, I just realized I never went through and talked about the things I wouldn't buy. I was just like, I buy this stuff, yeah. And like, I wouldn't buy most of it. Like, the lip stuff I would buy again that I tried. The bronzer, yeah, the bronzer, I would get that. I don't know, 50-50 on the blush, because the matte blush wasn't too crazy about this, and the shimmer one, I wasn't too crazy about it as a blush, but I did like it as an eyeshadow. The primer, I'm gonna have to try it a few more times before I can give you an honest answer on that. This is Sammy. Come here, Sammy, just get your butt out of the picture. Get your butt out of there. Yeah, that's her. The eyeshadows I'd get. I haven't even tried the jelly one, and I'm actually super excited to try that one out. Like I said, the eyeliner I would not get, and then the highlight, I just have come to realize I don't like liquid highlighter. I like that to be powder. It's easier for me to apply. But overall, I mean, for what I spent on it, what I spent is a very good price. Like I said, the only things I really need to go through and try would be this chubby lip pen, or crayon, whatever, and my metallic eyeshadow. That's the only other thing I'm really skeptical about as of now, so yeah. And also, I'm very mad at myself because I was trying to use as much Ulta products as I can, and I'm sitting here thinking, I didn't have any eyeshadow or mascara by Ulta, and I do. I totally do, but I just wanted to flaunt my Bobbi Brown one instead, so whatever. Yeah, so tell me guys what you think of this look down below in the comments. Do you prefer Ulta? Do you prefer Sephora? Which one's your favorite? I actually have an order coming in tomorrow, hopefully, from Sephora. I'm super excited about it. Did you try any advent calendars? before or after Christmas. Like I said, got a lot of shade thrown at me for trying this after, but it was on sale now, so why wouldn't I get it? I just want to say thanks for watching my video. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for putting up with the like 4 videos I put on. The 4 videos I put out for Vlogmas, but the holidays, they keep you busy. I also just want to say thanks for putting up with me because that was a lot of rambling. I don't think made any sense, but we'll see when I edit it. So I'll see you guys again soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Not to be redundant. Okay. You guys can see me recording. Oh my gosh. I wanted to wear my glasses for my films, but these ones, okay, if I sit back, the glare's not as bad. Okay. Wow. This is fun. Okay. How did I do that before? It is. Okay, maybe do this right. Say hi, Sammy. Oh, they're not.